Deep Seek, the AI disruptor. Transforming the industry. The artificial intelligence AI sector has seen rapid advancements in recent years, with major players such as OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, and Meta dominating the scene. However, a new challenger, Deep Seek, has emerged as a formidable disruptor, making waves in the AI community with its innovative approaches to large language models, machine learning, and autonomous systems. DeepSeek has gained attention for its cutting-edge AI research, efficient model architectures, and potential to challenge the dominance of established AI companies. It stands out not only for its state-of-the-art multimodal models but also for its focus on open-source AI, high-performance training strategies, and energy-efficient AI models. In this article, we'll dive deep into what DeepSeek is, its technological breakthroughs, and how it is reshaping the AI industry. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an AI research and development company that has rapidly gained prominence for its work in large-scale AI models, particularly in natural language processing and machine learning. The company has developed DeepSeek Vision, Deep Seek LLM, and Deep Seek Coder, among other models, which have demonstrated impressive capabilities in reasoning, multimodal understanding, and software development. DeepSeek's mission is to push the boundaries of AI research and make AI more accessible by optimizing efficiency, performance, and scalability. Unlike some proprietary AI systems, DeepSeek has embraced open-source AI, making its models available to developers, researchers, and enterprises worldwide. Origins and background. While specific details about DeepSeek's founders and organizational structure remain relatively low profile compared to OpenAI and DeepMind, the company has quickly established itself as a leader in AI research. It has garnered significant attention for its scientific papers, benchmark results, and large-scale model training strategies. DeepSeek's rise can be attributed to several key factors: advanced research in deep learning and generative AI, focus on multimodal AI, text, vision, and code models, high computational efficiency and reduced energy costs, open-source contributions that foster AI innovation globally. How DeepSeek is disrupting the AI sector. DeepSeek's disruptive impact on AI stems from three main pillars. 1. State-of-the-art AI models. 2. Open-source AI and democratization. 3. Efficient AI training and cost-effective deployments. State-of-the-art AI models. DeepSeek has developed some of the most powerful AI models in the industry, competing directly with GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and LLaMA. These models include Deep Seek LLM. Deep Seek LLM is a large-scale language model that rivals OpenAI's GPT series and Google's Gemini models. It excels in natural language understanding, complex reasoning and logical deduction, mathematical problem-solving, context retention, and long-form content generation. Deep Seek Vision. Deep Seek Vision is a multimodal model designed for image and text comprehension similar to OpenAI's GPT-4V. It has applications in image captioning and interpretation, visual question answering, medical imaging and diagnostics, creative AI-assisted design. Deep Seek Coder. Deep Seek Coder is an AI model specialized in code generation, debugging, and software development. It is designed to assist programmers in generating high-quality code in multiple languages, automating repetitive coding tasks, detecting and fixing software bugs, improving software development efficiency. This model challenges OpenAI's Codex, Meta's Code, Llama, and Anthropic's Claude in coding tasks, making AI-assisted programming more efficient. Open-source AI and democratization. Unlike some AI giants that keep their models closed source, DeepSeek is leading a movement toward OpenAI innovation. This means developers and researchers can access, modify, and improve DeepSeek's models. Lower entry barriers for AI startups and businesses. a collaborative ecosystem where AI innovation thrives. DeepSeek's decision to make its models open source is significant because it allows companies and independent developers to build customized AI applications without relying on expensive API access or proprietary restrictions. This approach fosters transparency, enhances security, and accelerates global AI development. By making AI tools more accessible, DeepSeek is ensuring that innovation is not concentrated in the hands of a few tech monopolies. Efficient AI training and cost-effective deployments. One of the biggest challenges in the AI industry is the cost and energy consumption of training large AI models. Companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind require massive computing power and expensive GPUs, making AI development a resource-intensive process. DeepSeek has developed novel AI training techniques that significantly reduce computation costs and energy consumption. These include sparse attention mechanisms, making AI processing more efficient, optimized transformer architectures, reducing computational overhead, model quantization techniques, improving inference efficiency, scalable cloud AI solutions, lowering infrastructure costs. By making AI more energy efficient and cost-effective, DeepSeek is disrupting the industry by making large-scale AI deployment feasible for a broader range of companies. The competitive landscape, how DeepSeek stacks. DeepSeek is positioning itself as a serious competitor against major AI companies. From the comparison, it is clear that DeepSeek's biggest advantages are its open-source nature, efficiency, and competitive AI capabilities. Challenges and future outlook. Despite its impressive advancements, DeepSeek faces some challenges. Competition from industry giants. OpenAI, Google, and Meta have vast resources. Data privacy concerns. Open-source AI models need strict security measures. Scaling issues. Deploying AI at a global level requires massive infrastructure. However, DeepSeek's future looks promising. If it continues its trajectory, it could reshape the AI landscape by making advanced AI more accessible, cost-efficient, and transparent. Conclusion: DeepSeek has emerged as one of the most disruptive forces in AI, challenging the dominance of OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic. Its state-of-the-art models, open-source approach, and energy-efficient AI solutions make it a game-changer in the industry. By focusing on innovation, accessibility, and efficiency, DeepSeek is not just competing with AI giants, it's redefining the future of AI itself.